Welcome back and happy Friday. Here we are again, Nick.
We're here for the breakdown on Friday, which sometimes on a Friday you feel like a breakdown.
But you also get energized because the weekend is right around the corner.
Yeah, so today though, we're going to be doing we're going to show you real examples of welcome emails, and we're going to give you our feedback 2 cents. This is our opinion based on our experience, but hey, that's we've looked at a lot of welcome emails. So I'm going to jump right into it.
We've received a lot of letters from the CEO.
Yeah. So this first one is actually from a company, 𝗔𝗀𝘀𝘁 which I'm a huge fan of. Let me just go on record to say I actually use this tool. I think it's an amazing service, but I do think the welcome email could use some work. And let me give you the example of why. So this welcome email is a little bit of what we were calling the feature dump and the premature ask. This is a kind of a combination. They took 2 of our examples before. So if you look at this email, obviously HTML, lots of pictures. You can try to show, I mean, to me, it's not really like, it doesn't really tell you what these images even really are, but obviously create professional videos, welcome, that's fine, get started. The problem is they jump right into this feature dump of all this text to AI, use AI voice, upload a video, record yourself. But then what they do is they instantly try to upgrade you. So I just signed up. Well, I didn't just sign up, but I just have signed up. And then now, without me even testing it, without even working on it, they're like, nope, go to the creator, $24 a month. And boldly push the fact that, I'm not going to get any of this stuff here, but I can get this stuff here for $24. So to me,
that's also billed annually.
So, I know, right? Yeah, exactly.
So this framing of the price is just, it would piss me off if I go on to the upgrade.
Yeah. So again, great service, good. I mean, it's a cool tool, but I think this, from a welcome perspective, they could definitely use some work. That it's just, again, feature dump and try to upgrade right away without, what you really want to do is get me going, get me started on working on it very clearly instead of just pushing right away. So that's one example.
That is a good example. I've got one too. Let me jump in and choose the right window to share. This one is the 𝗪𝗪 app. It is a really good example of I do not need 20,000 call to actions. I need you to tell me this one thing. I sign up for things like right and left all day long because it's annoying. Sometimes you just need to create an account to just get in and look. Yeah. So I don't need this many call to actions. I need one. And even if you can do multiple things with your tool, just give me one. This is a good example of overwhelm.
Well, this one actually too, it's so many links and a video. It's like, where do you even start?
Yeah. Totally. Way too much. Just pick one. And I think they're even saying over the next 7 days, we're excited to show you how to get the most out of 𝗪𝗪. Great. Do that instead. Give me 7 days and 7 links, 1 a day. That would be way better.
That's a great example of the feature dump. And at least they didn't try to upsell you though.
No, but yeah, I had a similar one. Did you have another one?
That's all I got. Yeah.
Okay, well, I had one more that is very similar to this whole trying to upgrade you immediately. This one, and yes, it says "Hey Tim" because I was using a different name for this one. Another tool that I just signed up for, and first of all, we have the little some story here that I don't really care about why you created this tool at this point. I need to see the value in it at first. And then they immediately, because this one, my understanding is that I can actually use it without purchasing anything, but they immediately, like your example, Nick, there, here's a discount if you just sign up immediately.
Yeah, this one definitely is the brand love letter that we're trying to tell people not to do, right? It's too much of all about them and what happened 2 years ago with a friend and I. Yeah, you just started. You don't care about that yet.
No, I don't.
You don't have a relationship with Wesley T yet.
No, it's very irrelevant. At least they stuck to this one call to action, so I'll give them kudos for that.
All right, well, those are some real life examples. I'm sure you guys see them every day. If you do, pop them into the chat here or pop into in LinkedIn. Show us the examples you've seen that are good or bad.
Do it. Share some. And we'll be back with some more teardowns and breakdowns next week, right?
Right. See you guys.
Have a good weekend.